Hello, welcome to our second edition of a weekly update. Last week I talked about our excitement at the opportunity to bring to you a range of educational regular workshops around key issues impacting on our industry. Well, I'm very excited to announce that our first such workshop, it will be a webinar to encourage everyone to get involved, is scheduled for the 25th of February and it's on digital techniques. We're bringing in experts to talk to you about the importance of utilising Google Words and exploiting that technology to get customers coming your way. Please look at our website, please go to the portal. We're really encouraging everyone to get involved. But of course, at MTA Queensland, we're only as strong as our representation of the industry itself. We have fantastic divisional meetings where experts from a range of different industries come together to talk about key issues impacting on them. Well, as of this week, you'll start to see us advertising the dates of those divisional meetings. Why? Yes, there's a committee process that drives the formalities, but we want to encourage each and every one of you to get involved with your division. Get involved with us. We go to them also because that's where we talk about issues impacting on you and also issues you want us to go and represent you in terms of discussions with government and policy reform. Two such examples. You would have seen plenty of media about our involvement and other parts of the industry talking about the right to repair issue. Yes, that's about independent repairers being able to access detailed codes and the like around repair of vehicles. Yes, we've taken a balanced view. We want right to repair principles. We want our independent repairers having access to these codes so they can do the diagnostics and repairs. But of course, we also want our franchises and dealerships to be able to get a return on their investment. And I think everybody wins, and certainly the discussions so far have been very helpful and informed. But another one relates to franchising. We've taken a very strong view around the importance of protection of our franchisees in dealerships in their engagement with overseas manufacturers. Yes, the government indicated previously they were looking at a voluntary code. Well, we simply don't believe that's strong enough. And we've been meeting with our representatives from industry and Minister Cash's office as late as last week, emphasising the importance of a compulsory code of conduct. Now, they're just two examples. We think those types of protections could equally apply to our panel repairers who need that type of protection in their engagement with insurers. So my message to you is please get involved. Watch Facebook, watch Instagram, watch our email system. Look at our website so you know when the divisional meetings are and you know how to get involved. Like last week, it's been great to talk to you. See you next week.